Boldt HVAC is an excellent option for HVAC installation in Dakota County, Minnesota, known for their top-notch heating and cooling services across Burnsville, Rosemount, and Apple Valley. As a veteran-owned business, they provide skilled installations of energy-efficient systems, competitive pricing, 24/7 emergency service, and comprehensive warranties, while also offering plumbing and routine maintenance. Are you looking for a HVAC installation in Dakota County, Minnesota? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. How much does a new HVAC installation cost in Dakota County, Minnesota? The cost of a new HVAC installation in Dakota County, Minnesota, typically ranges from $3,000 to $10,000, depending on the home size, system type, and installation requirements. Boldt HVAC offers competitive pricing tailored to the project's complexity, ensuring customers get efficient heating and cooling solutions. Does Boldt HVAC offer financing options for HVAC installations? Yes, Boldt HVAC offers flexible financing options to help customers manage the cost of a new HVAC installation. Whether it's low-interest plans or deferred payments, the company ensures that customers can choose financing that fits their budget, making HVAC installation more affordable. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at the following locations in Minnesota: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Dakota County, Minnesota? We are located at 20721 Holyoke Avenue, 1st floor. Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Lakeville-MN.